Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum. Hey, this is the Taylor Uptown in Uptown Dallas. The Taylor Uptown in Uptown Dallas. This is actually the studio apartment. This is super cute. I think you're gonna love this. So it's got a mudroom here. We've just walked in the door and there's a mudroom here. Super fun, super cute. There's a lot of cabinet space in here. So this is a kitchen that's, it's more of a galley kitchen, fully complete with all the great appliances that you would want. With a lot of cabinet space. So I love that. It also has this nice bar area. So you could just, hey, have a couple of 2 or 3 thin bar stools, and really not even need a table. But this is the actual area itself. The area is great. So it does have a balcony too. So there's your balcony. This is a wonderful space. Super, super fun. You can kind of separate it out if you want to. You could maybe have that's more the living room and the TV, and then you could have more of your bed, maybe over here. I really, really love this. It feels great. It feels really warm. The flooring is beautiful. That's real wood. That's a very, very nice floor. And then, hey, let's walk into the bathroom. So the bathroom is cute. Beautiful bathroom, actually. Really nice granite there. Plenty of cabinets. Beautiful tub here too. So this is very, very nice. I think you're gonna have washer dryer. Yep, washer dryer included. Super cool. And then, hey, great size walk-in closet. Hey, I love it. This is very cool, and you're gonna be in a luxury building, incredible location, great amenities, but at a very moderate price. So that's a huge benefit of being in this studio. Hey, there's a number below. That's my personal cell number. Send me a text and say, hey, Grant, I love this apartment. I'd like to get more information, get pricing, and maybe lock one down and go ahead and apply for it. Send me a text. I'll make that process super easy. I have a free service that takes care of you in every way. We can set up a tour too if you'd like to see it in person, but you will have no better service and no person that cares for you more, frankly, in the uptown and downtown area than myself. I can't wait to hear from you. We'll be great friends, and friends first, clients second, and I'll take great care of you. So send me a text. You can also go to uptown101.com, uptown101.com, and fill out a search request. Hey, we've got one more apartment to see, and let's go see it.